I found this old and way too short dress in my closet and made this top out of it in under 10 minutes. And now I'll show you how I did it. First, I started by turning my dress inside out. My dress has an elastic band just at the waistline, so I just cut off the part below that. Then I went straight to my overlock sewing machine to make the edges more neat. If you don't have an overlocker, you can also just use the zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. Now with the right side facing, I just folded over the edge to the inside, put it under my regular sewing machine, and just sewed it with a zigzag stitch. I made sure to stretch the elastic band all the time while sewing. And that's it, I'm already done. And as I want to do my best to be environmentally friendly, I'm also saving the part that I cut off earlier. Watch out for more videos to see what I use those kind of scraps for.